Mathaini ma muthenya wabicine cia kuburana na ungumania nyumba-ini ya Madison nirio munini wa kiama kia Jubilee David Murathe ekinyirie thutha wa kwandikirwo irua ni rubonge ruru akiendwo ataririe uria etanitio ni imwe cia kambuni iria ciabeirwo tenda ya mamilioni ma mbeca ni rubonge rwa KEMSA. Makiria ma mathaa matano Murathe agicirithio ni maobithaya bamwe na Ken muonjoria we gato Kiprono Kitoni uria onake kuratweka ni agwetanitio na kambuni iria ciabeirwo tenda ni KEMSA.
We've got evidence that Wilbrod transferred shareholding of this company to associates of the Deputy President. So I have given my piece and I have demanded anybody who has raised or commented or purported to know the COVID billionaires and who stole what, I have demanded that they should be summoned.
Othuthuria wa ngukumio ya KEMSA ubana ta wajite kuoya mwerekera mweru thutha wa marito mandu mari igweta kwanja kugweto uduria ubete ateti na makiria aria manyitaga mbaru munini wa President William Ruto mweke wa kwiturura makienda mundu wothe uragweto ngukumio-ini ino avitangiro mabitia maya.
Kiona majina yote na wale watapeli wengi na suppliers na contractors ni wale wako kwa serikali, ni wale wanachia hiyo mkutano sote munaona inaendelea. Atongoria
ya mugite bururi ni urabatara mwena woregani webandite meri makiorotithiriria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga uria koroni tabau kabere mbere ya aingirite thirikari-ini aria metanitio na ngukumio ya KEMSA mangire mugiririe na kubitiririo na miena yothe.
And because the only mouthpiece that could have spoken on behalf of Kenyans is the voice of Raila Odinga, who is the captain of a minority party. But the problem is that Raila Odinga and his cabal, they understand table manners. Table manners informs me that when you are eating, you don't talk.
Ona gutweka gicunje kinene kiare metanitio na ngukumio ya KEMSA ni mere ibaniriirie nayo kiria muingi wetereire ni kuona kana muthia-ini wa thiku uthuthuria warikia gutabanio ni gukarikiriria na andu aya gwikio ngono. Ngiribotera Inoro TV Jetago Masi wadia wa Murathe.
Kama drama. Okay. How are you guys?